हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे जो छाड़ी सेटू आम स्टार्ट करवा। आज टॉपिक होची लाइट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु प्रपोज द वेव थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट? राइट आंसर इज व्हेन जेन्स। द वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट वाज फर्स्ट मेजर्ड बाय रोमर। लाइट इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ लाइट गोटे को फॉर्म रे था एनर्जी। लाइट वेव्स इज एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रांसफर वेव। ट्रांसफर वेव रो गोटे एग्जांपल है लाइट वेव्स। लाइट ट्रैवल्स इन स्ट्रेट लाइन। लाइट सबले स्ट्रेट लाइन रे ही ट्रैवल करि थाए। नेक्स्ट, लाइट appears to travel in straight line because it casts shadows. Next, when a opaque body is placed in front of source of light like sun, then behind the opaque body a black or dark region appear which is called shadow. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next, the speed of light with the rise in temperature of the medium. Right answer is remain Next, velocity of light is minimum is, right answer is gas. The velocity of light maximum is vacuum. Next, light travels slower in glass. sorry velocity minimum velocity है glass रे light रो और maximum है vacuum रे glass gas न glass रे. Next, light travels slower in glass than in air because reflecting index of air less than that of glass. Next, the light is sensitive compound used in photography is silver bromide. Next, the return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection. Next, the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Next, when a light wave is reflected from a mirror, there is a change in its amplitude. Next, how many types of mirror? Right answer is 2 types. गोटे है plane mirror और गोटे spherical mirror. Next, if the reflecting surface of mirror is plane, then the mirror is called plane mirror. Next, where the plane mirror used? Right answer is looking glass, periscope, etc. How many mirrors used in periscope? Right answer is 2 mirrors, 45-degree angles. Periscopes works on the base on principle of reflection. Next, which instrument is used in a submarine to get a view above the surface of water? Right answer is periscope. Next, the nature image formed by a plane mirror. Right answer is virtual and erect. Next, in a linear magnification produced by plane mirror is 1. The focal length of a plane mirror is infinity. Next, the power of a plane mirror is 0. Next, टे जना पड़ूनी टे मैनेज करदेवे। मु पढ़ी दूसरी शुणिकी मन रखिदेवे। मिनिमम हाइट ऑफ प्लेन मिरर टू सी द फुल इमेज ए पर्सन इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ द हाइट ऑफ द पर्सन। माने केते हाइट रू आमे मिरर देखिले हमरो फुल इमेज देखा जीवो। माने राइट आंसर इज हाफ हाइट ऑफ पर्सन हाफ हाइट थी मिररटा तो आपण मानकर टोटल व्यूटा से मिरर रे देखा जिवो। नेक्स्ट ए मैन ऑफ हाइट 1.4 मीटर wishes to see full image in plane mirror required minimum height of mirror should be 0.7 मीटर। नेक्स्ट माने मनुष्यर हाइट 1.4 मीटर अच्छी तो केते मीटर मिरर दरकार फुल इमेज पे राइट आंसर इज 0.7 मीटर। नेक्स्ट when a plane mirror is rotated by angle 0 the reflected ray will rotate by 2 theta सॉरी एंगल थीटा माने मिररटा थीटा डिग्री आमर रोटेट कले रिफ्लेक्टर रे विथ 2 थीटा डिग्री रिफ्लेक्ट करिवो। नेक्स्ट ए रे ऑफ लाइट इंसिडेंट ऑफ ए प्लेन मिरर एंगल थीटा if the angle between the incident and reflected ray is 80 degree what is the value of theta right answer is 40 degree। next if a ray height incident of plane mirror is such that it makes angle 30 degree with the mirror then the angle of reflection is 60 degree। next an object is placed between the two parallel mirror the number of image formed is infinity। next a toy is placed between two mirror inclined at 90 degree the number of image formed is 3 formula हैला 360 divided by theta minus 1। next a highly polished curved surface whose reflecting surface is a cut part of a hollow glass sphere is called spherical mirror। next how many types of spherical mirror right answer is 2 types गोटे हैला convex mirror आ गोटे concave mirror। next the special mirrors whose outer surface is reflecting the inner surface is polished is called convex mirror। next where the convex mirror use black view mirror in vehicle street lamp etc। next a virtual image smaller than the object can be formed by a convex mirror। next the special mirror whose reflecting surface is inward and outer surface is polished is called concave mirror। next where the concave mirror is used in right answer is concave mirror saving mirror shaded of table lamps search light etc। a virtual image larger than the object can be formed by a concave mirror when a ray of light passes from one medium to another it bends from its path this phenomena of bending of light is called refraction of light। next refraction of is caused by change in velocity of light। next what is the path of light passing from denser to rare right answer is it always form the normal। what is the path of light passing from rarer to denser right answer it bends towards the normal। next when a ray of light travels from one medium to another its wavelength and velocity of light change but the frequency does not change। who made the law of refraction right answer is Snell। next the duration of the day appears to be increased by nearly 4 minutes due to atmospheric refraction। a water tank appears slower when it view from top due to refraction. In optical instrument, the lens are used to form image by phenomena of refraction. Next. A streak is immersed in water and looking bent due to refraction. Next. Twinkling of star is a natural phenomena due to atmospheric refraction. The apparent time of sunrise and sunset can be understood in terms atmospheric refraction. Next. The ratio of the speed of light in two media each always remains constant is known as refractive index. Next. The unit of refractive index of light is meter per second. Next. The refractive index of prism materials depends on angle of prism, the color of wavelength, and the length angle of incidence. Next. The refractive index of a medium is maximum for violet color. Next. Refractive index of a medium is minimum in red color of light. When temperature of medium increase, the refractive index is decreasing. Next. माने टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करी गले रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स है डिक्रीज करी करी जीव. नेक्स्ट. A cod diamond sparkles because of its high refractive index. If the angle of refraction in air 90 degree, the angle is known as critical angle. Next. The critical angle of light depends on pairs of medium, color, and wavelength. Next. When the angle incident is greater than critical angle, then the ray is reflected back into the first rare medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. Next. Critical angle for total internal reflection for a ray going from glass to air is more for blue light than rare. Critical angle for total internal reflection will be smallest for light traveling from glass to air. Mirage is observed in a denser due to phenomena of total internal reflection. A oil-colored diamond appears bright because total internal reflection. Next. The air bubbles in a glass appear silver white due to total internal reflection. Optical fibers work on the principle of total internal reflection. Optical fibers are mainly used for communication and endoscopy. Next. आजिर क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज आम ए रखा. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे बाकी सब डिस्कशन करिया.